पहले तो ये कोविड के लिए मास्क पहनो, अब पोल्यूशन के लिए मास्क पहनो। उफ। चलिए आज बात करते हैं दिल्ली के पोल्यूशन के बारे में कि आखिर दिल्ली में इतना पोल्यूशन बढ़ क्यों रहा है। Northern India is experiencing the harvest season, which would actually begin from mid-October and would last till 15th of November. Yes, that is mid-November. There's a common practice of stubble burning during this period, and which causes pollution every year during this period. The pollution rises to such an extent during this period that even the schools are shut during this period. Let's talk about stubble burning. What is it? Stubble burning में यह देखा जाता है कि किसान अपनी पुरानी फसलों को जला के रीहार्वेस्टिंग की तैयारी करते हैं, जो कि उनके यूजुअल प्रोसेस में बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एक हिस्सा होता है। But because of this, the people around have to face a lot of problems because it causes a lot of pollution. This is a very common practice seen in Delhi and the states nearby like Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. The national capital woke up to a very poor air quality today morning. It talks about the AQI, which is the air quality index. And it had actually shot up. कोविड ने तो नाक में दम ऑलरेडी किया हुआ था। मुंबई में बिजली नहीं है और दिल्ली में पोल्यूशन ने तंग हुआ है। तो बताइए आम इंसान क्या करे? People are experiencing breathing problems during their morning walk, along with eye irritation. I would like to discuss about the initiatives which are taken by the government to battle this newly cropped up problem. And all thanks to Mr. Kejriwal for all the initiatives which he has taken. First of all, the government of the states of Punjab and Haryana should find out a couple of alternatives for their farmers who face this problem of stubble burning. Aam Aadmi Party led Delhi government has already started with a campaign, War Against Pollution. In a recent cabinet meeting, tree transplantation policy has also been passed. चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं smoke tar implementation के बारे में। जी हाँ, let's talk about smoke tar implementation, which is going to be set up in a couple of areas of the city. ये बिल्कुल ठीक एक एयर फिल्टर की तरह ही काम करेगा जो बहुत सारे घरों में है आजकल। This tar is going to suck the entire polluted air and is going to release fresh air from the bottom, unlike China, who are going to release it from the top of this tar. Government has sanctioned rupees 20 crore for this, and this is going to be set up during the coming 10 months. इसके अलावा गवर्नमेंट ने और भी कई सेंसिबल डिसीजंस लिए हैं, जैसे कि अब डीजल जनरेटर्स की यूसेज कम से कम मात्रा में की जाएगी, कंस्ट्रक्शन को भी काफी हद तक रोक दिया जाएगा एंड ये सब चीजें हम देख पाएंगे दिल्ली, गुरुग्राम, ग्रेटर नोएडा, उत्तर प्रदेश, पंजाब और हरियाणा जैसे क्षेत्रों में। This is certainly a major concern when we talk about the health of the citizens. The hospitals again would be overwhelmed with patients suffering from respiratory disorders. Especially the senior citizens and children would be on target. So we all need to take care as responsible citizens. The increase in air pollution is causing lung problems, respiratory problems. It is reducing the immune system, and the most dangerous is the mild COVID-19 infection is now going to turn into a dangerous one again. Before we call ourselves Hindus, Muslims, Buddhists or even Christians, but we are humans first. A very normal human activity can be extremely dangerous for our mother nature. Let's all remember Love is in the air, but the air is highly polluted. So stay home and stay safe. Till then, goodbye.